Hi, let's take a quick look at how to build a PDF file screen. PDF files are good for bringing into your app things such as charts or layouts for buildings, that kind of thing. Be careful not to have too much text in your PDF file. For example, you don't want to try to import into your app a full book page or handbook page with heavy text because it'll be too hard for the end user to read if they're on a smaller mobile device such as a phone. Anyway, to bring one of these screens up, click the Add Screen button, find the template in the list, and drag it to the gray box. I'm going to just call this seating chart because I'm going to bring in a seating chart for a game in a stadium for the Harlem Globetrotters, the famous basketball team. We want the title bar to reflect that, so we're going to change that as well to seating chart. And all we have to do at this point is to bring the file into the screen. To do that, just click on the white space here. Set this for upload file from computer if that's what you want to do, or you can get it from the web as well. I'm going to get mine from my computer. When I select that, I get a browse button, and I'll pull that in from my desktop. You'll notice here that all you see is the source for that PDF. But rest assured, when we see it in its final version, it'll actually be there. This can be used in many different ways. It's all up to you.